Hi guys, it's Arielle Fox and welcome back to my channel. This weekend I did a Carboot sale to get rid of lots of the trash in my house. My house is so full of rubbish and old clothes and old items that are just kicking around gathering dust. So fun at Carboot, there's some really strange people around and I really enjoy doing it. I just wanted to do one just to clear out, have a bit of a laugh and not actually buy anything, but I ended up buying lots of stuff too. So I wasn't initially planning to this video, it's a little bit last minute. I'm going to quickly show you all the things I picked up, some really good bargains, and then I'm also going to show you a couple of things I got in town yesterday in the sales. Before we get started and look at all the things I've bought and do a little try on, please subscribe to my channel. I know a lot of you have come over from Instagram and you follow me on there. I really enjoy communicating and sharing stuff with you on there, but if you could support me here too, that would be amazing, please. Also, if you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let's get started. First thing I picked up was these really cute sandals. They are a little bit dirty on the inside, they're going to have to be cleaned. It looks like someone's gone in a muddy field and the mud's gone in them. So they don't really look like dirty and smelly dirty, but they sort of look like, I don't know, maybe they've been worn to a boot sale before and they've got a little bit grubby. But these are really, really cute and they're by Rocket Dog. I really love Rocket Dog. So that's those. I won't be trying these on now for you because I definitely won't be able to fit feet in. I'll just have to show you them here. Then the next item I picked up was shoes again. This time I got these really cute little new look boots. They actually look like they've only been worn like once or twice. In really good condition still, and I'm looking forward to wearing these for work. The ones I currently wear for work I don't like. I've never liked them. They were just like a quick last minute buy because I had no appropriate work shoes when I started my job. So these ones will be perfect because I really like them. They're really cute and I can also wear them for other stuff as well. The next thing I picked up was one of my bargain buys. This one is a Gap little jumper. This is really cute. It feels really cozy and really good quality and almost brand new. And it actually smells really nice as well. I remember when I was picking it up, I thought, oh, this smells nice, this person smells nice. I'm just going to try this on and show it to you guys. This is what the jumper looks like on. It's super cute and super cuddly and really cozy. And here is the jumper, as much as I can show it off on my camera. Not very much. You get the gist, it's just a grey jumper basically. I managed to get this Gap jumper for £1 and the Gap stuff tends to be quite expensive, so I'm quite lucky with this, and it does feel like next to brand new, hardly ever worn. It doesn't feel like it's lost its softness or anything. Next thing I have in here is also from that same store. And this one is Superdry long sleeve top. This one is in a size small, so I'm hoping it fits. I'm usually an extra small. I think this was 50p this one, so it's still quite a good deal. It does feel brand new and there's not any nasty staining. White stains pretty quickly, so it's in really good condition. So I'm really excited to try this one on. This is this top. I absolutely love it. I love these tops with the different colour sleeves. I never remember what they're called, so if you know what they're called, please drop me a comment below so I know actually how to find them in the future and search for them online and buy them online. I tend to just pick them up at boot sales or in H&M because I can never remember what they're called to actually buy them online, so that'd be so helpful if you can drop me a comment about that below. The fit for this is actually quite nice, seeing that it's a small and I'm usually an extra small, and then it's got the cute little Superdry logo at the bottom. And the next stall I came across was another one selling designer goodies, and I picked up this cute red Jack Willis top. This one feels a little bit rougher, feels like it's actually been worn a little bit, but this was only 50p and I love these long sleeve red tops. I already have loads of these, so I probably shouldn't have bought another one, but I can't help myself. Here is what this one looks like on. I'm really liking this one as well. I really love the colour. This is what this one looks like. So next I have something a little bit unusual from the same store and I don't know if I like it. It's this orange Abercrombie and Fitch top. When I saw it on the latest stall it looked more of a bright orange because I was wearing my sunglasses, which is really, really stupid if you're at a boot sale buying clothes, especially if you're going for like wacky colours that you don't usually go for. I don't know, maybe it'll grow on me, maybe it won't, I don't know, I might be passing on this one. This is what this one looks like on. I really, really like the style of it, but I don't like the colour. It's such a weird colour. It's fit really nice, it's nice and tight and figure hugging. And very stretchy as well, so there's lots of give in it. So the next thing in here is something I actually know I like. The super cute little tiny crop. I really love stripy tops. I've got stripy dresses, stripy jumpers. I have too many stripy things, kind of like the red thing. I need to stop buying stripy things, but I can't. I keep seeing them and I don't want to buy them, so that's where this has come from. This is Abercrombie and Fitch and this is in a size small. Here is my Abercrombie and Fitch top. I really like this one. I really like the fit and style. The only thing I will say is I was expecting it to be more of a crop. It is actually quite long. This top's more like a midriff showing top rather than a crop top. Next thing I have in here is jeans. I'm not sure if these are going to fit. They feel really stretchy, but I don't know. These ones are from Topshop. This is what my jeans look like. So these are the top of the jeans. Can't really show you much else. There was a big sale on H&M, which was really good, so I managed to pick up some bargains, and the two things I got were two of the last things in my size, so I'm going to show you those quickly. So the first thing I picked up is this hoodie, and it's not really the sort of thing I wear at all. It's big, long, thick, wavy sleeves, and then the sleeves have got these little tags on. I don't like what they say. They say lovers over haters. That's, yeah. I don't tend to like tops with writing on, especially when it's just like random crap like that. So I'll probably take those off. Lovers over haters. This is what this looks like on. I still really hate these. I'm a hater, not a lover. It is weird because it sort of just like sticks out at the back. I don't know if that's my body shape or if it's supposed to do it. I really like the hood. It's quite big, which is really nice because most hoods are always too small, and when it's raining you get soaked and your hair gets soaked. Not sure what to think of these crop jumpers. You wear a jumper because you're cold, but then if it's cropped you're still going to be cold. You can't wear it when it's hot because then you're too hot. I literally don't know when I'm going to wear it. So the next thing I picked up from H&M is something I love, and I'm really happy with it, and I'm glad I bought it. I wasn't sure when I first picked it up. I was thinking, oh god, this is a bit bright, but I actually really love it, so I'm going to show you that. This is a bright green jumper, and it actually doesn't look as bright green on camera, which is a bit weird. Here is my green top. I am in awe with it. I love it. Every time I put it on I just stare at it for a bit. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with it because it's so different. I think I usually wear grey, I usually wear black, and I usually wear red. So this, yeah, as you can see, it's not very figure hugging, and it does have this like hole here where you can see bra through a little bit, but I don't think that matters too much because it's just like in that one location. I've worn this out, I don't care. I like the fact that it shows through to your skin as well here. I think it's quite nice, and on the hands and the arms. If you're interested in seeing that way better than I've just displayed there, because that was pretty pants, go head down to my Instagram and follow me on there. I've got some really good pictures of it on there, of it like in its full glory of what it looks like. I know I keep going on about it, but go and have a look. It's definitely one of my favourite purchases from the whole weekend. I'm really happy with it, and that's why I popped those things into this haul. This actually cost £10. I can't remember what it was reduced from. I know the jumper was £7, and then when I got to the counter it worked out as way cheaper for the total price, so one of them was actually cheaper than it said on it, which is really good. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry it's quite thrown together and a bit brief. I had no plans for this video. As I said earlier, I didn't want to spend lots of money on stuff, but I did. I think I spent most of the money I made at the boot sale, which isn't too bad because it means I haven't just spent unnecessary money, but it's still been pretty bad. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be doing lots more videos like this. I love doing haul videos. Do a wish haul and testing out some of the stuff on there. So if you're interested in seeing that, then don't forget to subscribe. Videos can get hidden and lost in the feed of YouTube, so if you really want to keep up with what I'm doing on a regular basis, I post every single week. Do click the bell for notifications. I'll be notified every single time I make a video, which is maybe good or maybe bad, I don't know. And thanks again for watching my video. Goodbye!